Now I want to talk about matrix because matrix is two-dimensional vector. So basically, that's why when you define matrix, it's just derived from vector. So you see the code. Matrix is derived from vector 1 to 6, and because vector can be rectangular, not necessarily square, right? So that's why when you define vector, you tell them how many columns you want, and by telling number of columns, then the number of row can be inferred because depend on number of the length of vector you have, right? Because suppose here you have 6 elements, 2 columns, then number of row is 3, right? And you have to tell whether the matrix enter by row or not by row. Here is by row, so means that build up things row by row. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's see the code here. Let's clear everything up. Okay. Run this by row. This is exactly what you see, and then the matrix. You can also view it in the table here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very convenient. And the other way is here. I have not by row, it's by column. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is filled by column. So see the code again. Do this, they will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this filled by column. And the next thing is how to call row, extracting row and columns. It's very simple. If Z1 give you the first row and Z comma 1 give you the column. So Z1 comma give you the first row. See here, if I want here give me the first row, if I set 2 comma give me the second row, and third comma give me the third row. And column is the same. If Z comma 1 is the first column, so I do it. Here the first column. If I do this, the second column. Of course, if I want a particular element, I can say 1, 2. Then it will give you the first row, second column. The last thing to say is the size. Here the size a little bit more different. If you use length, you give you not the row and column. You give you the whole number of elements at the length. You have to ask number of column, number of row to exactly what you want, because there are 2 types of the matrix. So let's see. So here I have this, right? And then look at C what it looks like. I run this. This is the length. Okay. And you run this column, the 2 column, row. You have 3 row. Okay. So we know the basic operation of matrix. Again, matrix can do addition, subtraction, same as vector. It's a vectorized. So if you have 2 matrix add up together, we also have the same thing. So thank you for listening.